Welcome back to Life Upgrade with AI. Here I show you practical, beginner-friendly ways to use AI to make everyday life simpler and more organized. I'm using ChatGPT on my computer in this video, but you can use any AI tool you like, including the mobile app. Let's get started. Hosting Thanksgiving can feel like juggling 10 things at once. The menu, the shopping, the cooking schedule, the table setup, and of course, making sure everything actually gets done on time. But AI can make the entire process so much easier, calmer, and more organized. Today, I'm showing you how to use simple prompts to plan an amazing Thanksgiving dinner, even if you've never hosted before. Let's jump right in. The first thing we need is a clear menu that isn't overwhelming. Instead of scrolling through endless recipes, you can have AI create a simple Thanksgiving menu instantly. Here's exactly what I typed. Create a Thanksgiving dinner menu for 8 people, including a main dish, sides, and dessert. Keep it simple and beginner-friendly. AI typically gives you a classic Thanksgiving setup with turkey, roasted vegetables, mashed potatoes, stuffing, cranberry sauce, and 1 or 2 dessert options. What I love about this step is that it sets expectations. You see everything at a glance and nothing feels chaotic. It's a calm starting point. Now that we have our menu, let's turn it into a practical shopping list. This is where AI really shines, because it organizes everything by grocery store section, which saves so much time. Here's the prompt. Turn this menu into a complete Thanksgiving shopping list. Organize it by grocery store section. Now AI will sort everything into produce, dairy, spices, baking, meats, frozen items, all of it. This makes shopping so much more efficient. You can literally walk through the store section by section and know exactly what you need. If you want, as a bonus, you can also tell AI to add specific items to your list. For example, if you're getting some chips and dip or some extra ice cream for the dessert, you can tell AI you want it added to the list and it will also organize that by section. Thanksgiving becomes stressful when everything needs to happen at once. So instead of guessing when to start cooking, we'll have AI create a schedule that tells you exactly what to prep the day before and what to focus on the day of. Here's the prompt. Create a Thanksgiving cooking schedule for this menu, including what to prep the day before and what to cook on the day of. AI will break everything into clear time blocks, things like chopping vegetables ahead of time, prepping desserts, brining the turkey, and then walking you through the actual cooking order on the big day. This is the part that makes you feel like, okay, I totally have this under control. Now, you do not have to do everything yourself. AI can help you choose what to delegate so hosting feels much lighter. Here's the prompt you can use for this. Give me a list of tasks I can delegate to guests to make hosting easier. AI suggests great options like bringing sides, helping with dessert, setting the table, stirring the sauce, or managing drinks. This makes hosting more relaxed, and honestly, most guests love being part of the experience. A beautiful table doesn't have to be expensive. AI can give you amazing ideas for a cozy, affordable ambiance. Here's the prompt for this. Give me 10 simple ideas for creating a cozy Thanksgiving table and atmosphere on a budget. AI often suggests candlelight, seasonal produce like apples or pumpkins, soft linens, playlists, handwritten place cards, and simple centerpieces. Pick a few ideas that match your style, and your table will look lovely without spending a lot. Now let's wrap everything into a simple easy-to-use plan. Here's the final prompt. Combine the menu, shopping list, cooking schedule, delegation ideas, and Ambiance tips into one simple Thanksgiving dinner plan I can copy. This gives you one clean document with your menu, your shopping list, the cooking timeline, what to delegate, table setting ideas, and all of your reminders. You can save it to notes, print it, or even keep it on your phone while cooking. It's your little Thanksgiving assistant. Of course, as a bonus, this is also where you can tell AI what you want to cut and what you are keeping. For example, what you're deciding to delegate and to whom, or which table setting ideas you're going to go with. If you tell AI this before the prompt, it will include those things and none of the others in the final document. And that's it. With just a few simple AI prompts, you now have a full Thanksgiving dinner plan that's organized, clear, and totally manageable, even if you're hosting for the first time. If this was helpful, let me know in the comments what other holiday planning videos you'd like to see, and check out my other AI tutorials to learn how to upgrade your life with AI in simple, practical ways. Thank you for watching and happy Thanksgiving!